performing songs.
Toot toot. Thank you very much, Dan. We're just having a little bit of a technical issue while our bass player gets a grip. Just one moment, please. That's Macca to you lot. How's it going then? Yeah?
Great!
Having a good night?
Yeah!
I thought Denty was particularly spectacular. Right, it's going to take a second or two. We're going to do some songs by the Beatles, quite a famous band in the 1960s. In 1964, they released their first feature film, which was mostly filmed around Paddington and Marylebone, Paddington Station, quite famously. And it's called A Hard Day's Night. And when David's ready, we're going to do A Hard Day's Night. Okay, we've got two John Lennons, but what the heck? You know.
You can't have too many.
Right. Okay. Well, I think we're ready to go. Now, remember, this is live, right? We're all playing instruments. Well, I'm not, obviously. But we need you to join and sing along with these songs, right? You all know the words. So we want you to join us. And if anybody wants to come up here and dance, that would be even more remarkable. We'd love it.
Dalal. Me.
Oh, sorry, yes?
Oh.
It's okay, just right there.
You're perfect there. Perfect. It's going to start in an A, okay? Not that I'd know. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do some songs by the Beatles, right? So please sing along. Here we go.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get up to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. You know I work all day to get your money to buy your things, and it's worth it just to hear you say you're gonna give me everything. So why on earth should I moan? Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight. Tight, yeah. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. So why on earth should I moan? Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight. Tight, yeah. It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel alright. You know I feel alright. You know I feel alright.
Thank you. We just about hit those notes. You think when you're doing this, you think the Beatles songs are dead easy until you try and do them. They're very difficult, very complicated harmonies, but we did it. Right, okay.
This one's even more complicated, Simon.
Right, you might need to give us a hand here. This is 1965. The Beatles did another film called Help. And believe me, we might need your help on this song.
And Andrew, we need those top notes.
Okay, we're going to give it a go.
Help! I need somebody, help! Not just anybody, help! You know I need someone, help! When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. Now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. And now I find to change my mind, I've opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please help me? And now my life has changed in oh so many ways. My independence seems to vanish in the haze. But every now and then I feel so insecure. I know that I just need you like I never done before. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please help me? When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. Now these days are gone, I'm so self-assured. And now I find to change my mind, I've opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please help me, help me, help me.
Thank you for your sniggers of encouragement. It was very, very fitting. I tell you what, that is so hard, right? So hard. Very high. They made it look very easy. Right. Right, we're going to play a little game now. We're going to move on to 1968. We're going to move on to 1968, and the Beatles entered a very interesting period, fueled by psychedelia and a lot of drugs. David knows a lot about that. We're going to play a little game. We're going to play Name That Tune, okay? And we just want you to shout it out, really, when you know it. And if you get it right, you can come up here and dance.
This is a great one to dance to.
This is a great song to dance to. Not known as one of their greatest hits in terms of chart success.
It's a B-side.
But indeed, but quite simply, a fantastic song. So, we'll see how we get on with the Name That Tune. Come on. Who's got a set list? This is Eye on the Walrus.
See how they want like pigs on a nut, see how they want. I'm crying. waiting for the band to come. Operating is stupid, but you've been a naughty boy, you let your face grow on. I am the Eggman. Woo! They are the Eggman. Woo! I am the walrus. Mr. City, policeman sitting, pretty little policeman in a row. See how the twilight in the sky, see how we want. I'm crying. Woo! I'm crying. I'm crying. Yellow matter coasters, dripping from a dead dog's eye. Clap a lock of face, white pornographic. Oh, you've been a naughty girl, you left your nipples down. I am the Eggman. Woo! They are the Eggman. Woo! I am the walrus. Waiting for the sun. If the sun don't come, you get a tan for standing in the English rain. I am the Eggman. Woo! They are the Eggman. Woo! I am the walrus. Expert, choking smokers. Don't you think the Joker laughs at you? See how this twilight paints in the sky. See how this night I'm crying. Semolina Pilcher climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Elementary penguins singing Harry Christmas man. You should have seen the kids in Edgar Allan Poe. I am the Eggman. Woo! They are the Eggman. Woo! Thank you. Right. This morning that sounded absolutely brilliant. But we need. Hope you enjoyed that. That was I Am the Walrus, which is one of John Lennon's most interesting moments. Right, we need you to sing along now and join in and maybe dance a little bit. We're going to go back to 1963. Right, this is loud, this is raucous. I'd like you to do me a favour, right, in traditional Beatles style. For those of you with the trestle tables, will you please clap your hands? And for those of you who brought your own tables and a gazebo, just rattle your jewellery. This is Twist and Shout. I want you to join in. Come on, baby. I'm working on now. Let's work it
Thank you very much. I think we're done, aren't we?